Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create links from text on card.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Card, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating links from text on card.com is a straightforward process that will allow your visitors to easily navigate to other pages or sections of your site, or even to external websites. I find it very useful for directing users to a more detailed information or related content. Now, in my case, I'm going to my Andy's Guides YouTube channel. Now, what I'm going to do is go to the link of my channel details. If you haven't already, you might want to click on the subscribe button so you'll be updated to our latest content. We are happy to inform you that we upload new content every day from Mondays to Sundays. For these is all for you guys. All right, so I'm gonna copy this link and I'm switching over to the card.co dashboard. Now, what I wanted to do is basically work on this text in Andy Guides. I wanted it to have like a hyperlink. Okay, so click on that and you would be forwarded here on this section. All right, now you see in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the fifth line, you might want to copy everything here, this one, and then copy that, and then I'm gonna put it something right here. But not that one, this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put in the guides here. It should be Andy. This is dependent on your text. But what I wanted to do is put in maybe Andy here. And inside this is any valid URL. Of course, that's going to be the Andy's Guides. Right, I'm gonna switch over and then copy the Andy's Guides. Now click on done. You see, if you click on this, you would be forwarded to another website. All right. Now I'm publishing it after saving, and let's see if that works. Okay. Now all I'm gonna do is click on view site. And you would be able to create links from text on card.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.